Is your favorite YouTube video stuck in a buffering loop, making you want to throw your computer out the window? Don't worry, I'm here to show you how to fix that annoying YouTube lag in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. First, let's clear that browser cache. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Then, hover over More Tools in the drop-down menu, and click on Clear Browsing Data. Make sure Cached Images and Files is checked. It's best to set the time range to all time to clear everything out, then click the Clear Data button. Next, let's disable those pesky extensions. Type Chrome extensions in the address bar and press Enter. Now, go through your extensions and temporarily disable them one by one. Sometimes an extension can interfere with YouTube's playback. If disabling an extension fixes the problem, you know which one was causing trouble. Let's make sure your Chrome browser is up to date. Click on the three dots again, then hover over Help. Click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them. Restart Chrome if prompted. Finally, adjust your video quality. Click the settings icon on the YouTube video player. It looks like a gear. Select Quality and try lowering the resolution. For example, switch from 108p to 720p or even for 820p. This will reduce the amount of data needed to stream the video, which can significantly reduce lag. And there you have it. By clearing your cache, disabling extensions, updating Chrome, and adjusting video quality, you should now be able to enjoy smooth, lag-free YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.